Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by this one. So we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that positive of number 1 over s plus 1, that is for integrating factor, and I will put this one gone here. So the integration of this one, we have ln of s plus 1, and we have s plus 1. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Now we need to simplify it. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, we need to use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So for this one, we need to know that we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, we have first derivative of b. That's why we have number 1 next to y in here. And this one, that's it for 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y multiplied by s plus 1. The integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. Number 1, that is about s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.